What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the long awaited room tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just giving you guys an overview of what's in my room. I actually did just pack up my room about a week ago. So I did just relocate to Houston. I have an apartment here, and I also have a home that I do still live with my parents. So let's just dive right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this little area right here is right when you walk into my room. This is the first wall that you see. And over here I had a desk right there at first. It was like my study space. And I had this bench in front of my bed at first with the pillows on it, but I actually got those pillows from Ross. And I have this little nightstand, little side table with just some decorations on it. I have the Best Is Yet to Be that came from Target. The green vine came from Target. The flower came from IKEA. The vase came from IKEA. The little thing down here called Promises from God for Women, those are daily devotionals and daily prayers that you speak over yourself. And then I have like a little jewelry tray right there. I had magazines, and then that inside of this little thing right here I have Pampers and lotion for Ava, and that little thing came from Dollar Tree. So right on the wall next to it I have all of my perfumes. And basically these are just my favorite perfumes. I don't really hoard perfumes. This is my Dating You perfume from Miniso. Then I had a perfume back there from Discovery. I have perfumes from, I said perfumes. I got perfumes from Zara. Zara, absolutely, like I love Zara's perfumes. And then I actually have this Miss Dior perfume, which it broke. And then I have two of these Zara. There's one in the box and one sitting right next to it, those Zara roll-on balls. And then I have the entire Riri collection. And that came from Walmart. So right up under that shelf, I have just some hanging jewelry. It's not hanging in any fascinating way. I just have like thumbtacks in the wall with my jewelry hanging. And this is basically like my go-to jewelry that I always reach for. So right up under there, this is where I keep a lot of my skincare and just miscellaneous things that I reach for a lot. Like on top of this, I have like my skincare, my deodorant, my facial scrubs, my moisturizers, my micellar water, my a couple face masks, things like that. Down in the second one, you guys see, I have some face masks back in that corner. I have my dupe for my Clarisonic, all my other skincare stuff, and then down here I use this for all of my nail stuff, additional eyelashes, that type of stuff. And then down here is just completely miscellaneous, but mostly hair products. So moving on, right in front, right next to that little thing I just showed you guys is my vanity area. Now I just have like my makeup brushes here and things like that, and I wanted natural light, so that's why I stuck my mirror in the window. And I have it sitting on these four little shelves that I got from IKEA. Not IKEA, I'm sorry, Five Below. And I just have my makeup storage on here. It's normally not this empty, but for the sake of this video it was. I have like my Il Makiage foundations, all of my makeup remover products, and all types of things like that. So that is basically my vanity. You guys already saw what I have at my vanity in my last acrylic brush case. So that's what I got from Ross as well, just to hold my makeup brushes and things. But what I'm showing you guys are these lights right here, and they were only $25 they were $19 from Amazon. And then up above there I just have this love sign right here with the lipstick. So I thought that was really cute to tie in with the makeup portion. So moving on, I have this cute little area right here, which is basically my decorative wardrobe area. And right on this shelf, it's right directly across from the perfume shelf. I have my YSL bag, my Zara bag, Ava's little jewelry box, and I also have this green tea diffuser from Miniso as well. Excuse me. Okay, so these are just some clothes that kind of match the aesthetic of my room. I hardly ever wear these. Well, some of them I haven't even had the chance to wear. And then I just have some shoes down at the bottom that I get from like Fashion Nova, Forever 21, things like that. And I also got this Glam Goes case. What is it called? Poster as well from Ross. Now on the left side of my bed, well, depending on which side you're looking from, I just have this Morphe bag here. I have this Confident Woman Daily Devotional by Joyce Myers. Over here I have my Bible and other books that I read on a daily. I feed my spirit when I wake up, you guys. Highly recommend you guys to do it as well. And on top of this nightstand, I have this gold plant pot with this beautiful plant from IKEA. It's obviously fake. I have this fake little water jar or whatever from Target. And I have my Bath and Body Works candle. I have this really pretty picture from Hobby Lobby. It was only $5. So that's what's on that side. Now just giving you guys an overview before we switch it up. Now on this wall, it's super duper boring, okay? I really wasn't finished with my room, but I just keep this little marker thing here just so you know, keep positive quotes and things like that. A clock above it, and these little pretty pink lights that I got from Hobby Lobby as well for about $8. Now right up under there, I just had like this little drawer set that I got from IKEA, and on top of that I keep it on a picnic tray. It's my little pumpkins for the fall time, and then I have like a little vanity mirror right on that table as well. And right on the side of it, as you guys can see, those little metallic things, those are basically my eyelashes, my inventory. I was trying out a couple of lashes to see where I wanted to continue getting my lashes from and things like that. So in this first drawer, I'm not gonna lie, it's a junk drawer. I have like needles and thread, I have tape, batteries, miscellaneous notebooks, office supplies, and things like that. And this second drawer, these drawers are kind of janky. That's basically my skincare right there. But the TKB, you guys see, all of this is how I make my own lip gloss and my own cosmetic products and things like that. So down in the bottom, I have like my envelopes for mailing out my products and things like that. I have the Ipsy bags in there. I also have some lip glosses that I'm going to show you guys that I actually made on my own. So those are really, really cool. And then I just have more mailers down in there for when I do, like, I just started Poshmark and stuff, so I thought that would be something cute to, you know, mail my items in. I have my label maker, some batteries, I have some printer paper, things like that in there. Now, I have my mini fridge on the side of my bed, and it's kind of empty right now because, like I said, I was moving, and I kind of tried to, like, clear it out. So basically, this is just what's in there so far. Sandwiches, Doritos, almond milk, salmon up top. Like, it's empty. So right next to the mini fridge, I have this other nightstand with some cute purses from Miniso. And then I also have this same little plant from IKEA up here. I don't know what I'm doing or what I'm trying to show y'all. Okay, so I'm showing y'all the plant from IKEA. And then I got this candle from Dollar General, and that was like $5. And I have this little light box right here from Target for like $7 with my skincare name on it. And then that's where my Echo Dot sits as well. So above that, I do have this picture. I don't even remember where that picture came from, the little palm leaves or whatever, but I have this little envelope thing from Target. Right up top, I built a shelf for my shoes, just to match the aesthetic, you know, of the vibe of my room, and just to make my videos look a little bit more better. So on this little circular thing right here, I got this from Target in the kids section. And I just have my skincare line sitting up there, my Bath and Body Works candle, and I keep a plant. I love my plants. That's actually a real plant. And that's basically an overview of what's up there. I also have another pair of shoes and a candle on this shelf as well. And those black candles came from Victoria's Secret. So this clock came from Riley Rose, but I mean, technically it is Forever 21. And I have another Boss, what do you call those things? Posters? I don't know. But all three of those little posters in my room came from Ross, and they were $10.99 each. So, hi, Mommy. Look at the pretty baby. So basically, I'm going to show you guys my bedding. I have the same pillows that I had on top of my little nook little section. These came from Ross, the fluffy pink ones. The gold ones came from IKEA, and the other pillows are just Walmart pillows that I put the matching pillowcases on. The entire blanket set came from Ross for $40. Also got this pink rug from Ross, and this was about $20. So yeah, that's the overview of my room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later.